Today's topic for discussion is Frisch classification of algae. Frisch in 1935 classified algal plants in several groups on the basis of pigmentation. Let us see the different groups of algae classified by Frisch in 1935. He has classified algal plants into following groups, that is Myxophyceae, Euglenophyceae, Chlorophyceae, Charophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Bacillariophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Nematophyceae. These are the groups made by Frisch, and all the algae these are classified only on the basis of pigments, because in the algae besides chlorophyll there are several types of specific pigments are present in a specific group, and on the basis of pigmentation this classification has been made. Let us see each class of this algae, the characteristic features of each class. Number 1, that is Myxophyceae. This Myxophyceae group, it is also known as Cyanophyceae. In this class, plants are very simple, no definite nucleus, chromatophores and motile cells absent. Reproduction takes place by fission method. Pigments, the important pigments which are dominant in the algae, they are phycocyanin and phycoerythrin in addition to chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is also present. Besides this, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, these two pigments are dominant pigments in Myxophyceae. And these algal plants are commonly called as blue-green algae because of its appearance. They appear blue-green in color. And photosynthetic product in this algal group of this in the algae of this group, that is sugar and glycogen. This is the photosynthetic product which occurs in the algae of this group Myxophyceae. And sexual reproduction is absent in all the members of this group. Okay. Number 2, Euglenophyceae. In this group, flagellates are unicellular. The algae is having flagella, and that combines characters of plants as well as animals. Example is Euglena. In Euglena, it is a protozoan. At present, we are studying as a protozoan, but it has a chlorophyll. Hence, we consider it as a algae, and it is a flagellate algae. It occurs in fresh water or salt water, mostly solitary and free swimming organism, but some forms the gelatinous colonies. They form a gelatinous colony, and some are attached. Plants are mobile with it is having flagella, hence they are motile. They can move themselves. It has one or two flagella or many cilia are present. Nucleus is present, contractile vacuole is present, chloroplast is present, and it has a prominent eye spot is present in the members of this Euglenophyceae. Because of presence of eye spot, the zoologist consider this as an animal, and because of presence of chlorophyll, the botanist they consider as it is a algae. Okay. Reproduction of organisms of this group takes place by fission method only. Okay. Let us see the Chlorophyceae group, the characteristics of Chlorophyceae. In this case, plants are variable in structure and definite nucleus. It has a definite nucleus. Chloroplast is present. Chloroplast is present in all algae. Motile reproductive cells are present, and reproductive cells they bear in variable number of flagella, and commonly green in color. They appear green in color, and product of photosynthesis is starch and sugar. Sexual reproduction ranges from isogamy to anisogamy to oogamy. Okay. Isogamous type of reproduction means in which male and female gamete both are morphologically exactly similar in size and shape, but at the genetical level they are different. One is negative strain, another is positive strain. But in anisogamy, male gamete is smaller and female gamete is slightly larger in size. Fusion between two such gametes when takes place, it is described as anisogamous type of sexual reproduction. Oogamy, it is in this case the female gamete is very large non-flagellate structure and male gamete is very small flagellate structure. When the fusion between two such gametes takes place, that is described as oogamy. Okay, these are the characteristic features of the algal plants which are included in Chlorophyceae group. Okay, next group, Charophyceae. In this Charophyceae, that consists of plants which are very complex and differentiated into cylindrical stem bearing dimorphic branches of orals, and cells contain chlorophyll mainly and the less carotenoid. Carotenoids are also present, but they are in less quantity. Stored food is starch. Reproduction takes place by heterogametes formed in a complex sex organs of the distinctive type. Okay, sperms with two equal flagella attached anteriorly. These are the characteristic features of the group Charophyceae. Okay, next group, Xanthophyceae. Xanthophyceae, in this the algal members which are present in Xanthophyceae, they appear yellowish green in color because of the excess amount of xanthophyll in them. Oil replaces starch here. Okay, flagella two or unequal in two flagella are present, motile cells are present in this, and whenever the flagella are present, they are unequal in length. Sexual reproduction is rare but isogamous. Cell wall of two equal or unequal halves overlapping each other. Okay, these are the characteristic features of algal plants of this group Xanthophyceae. Next, another group, that is Chrysophyceae. Let us see the characteristic features of algal plants of Chrysophyceae. Plants are primitive. Chloroplast is brown or orange due to the presence of accessory pigments such as phycoerythrin, phycochrysine. Phycochrysine, it is a pigment which is in excess amount in the members of this group. Cell wall may or may not be present. Fat and leucocene, that is protein like substance, are usually form food storage. Cysts are present, they are silicified. Motile cells with one or two or rarely three equal flagella are present, rarely unequal. Sexual reproduction is rare but isogamous when it is present. Okay, these are the characteristic features of algal members of this group Chrysophyceae. Next group, that is Bacillariophyceae. The algal members of Bacillariophyceae are commonly called as diatoms. In this case, cell walls partly silicified and partly pectose, symmetrical halls and ornamented with delicate markings and chromatophores yellow or golden brown. One set of form readily symmetrical, the other bilaterally so. Sexual reproduction is isogamous or unisogamous. These are the characteristic features of algae which comes under this group Bacillariophyceae or diatoms. Okay. Another group, that is Cryptophyceae. Let us see the characteristic features of this group. Each cell with two large partial chloroplasts with diverse color. Though frequently of a brown in shade, they appear brown in color. Starch is the photosynthetic product and motile cells with two unequal flagella, mostly flagellates forms. Okay, most of the algal forms, they are flagellate forms in this group, and sexual reproduction is isogamous in one species only. Cysts common and endogenous. These are the characteristic features of algal plants which comes under Cryptophyceae. Okay, let us see the characteristic features of another group, that is Dinophyceae. Under this group, most of the algal members are unicellular, one-celled and motile. It has flagella with a tendency towards filamentous habits. Cell wall sculptured, chromatophores discoid, dark yellow or brown in color. Starches and fats are product of photosynthesis. motile cells with a longitudinal and transverse furrows, biflagellate. Sexual reproduction is rare but isogamous when it is present. These are the features of algae which comes under this group. Okay, let us see the characteristic features of algae which comes under the group Phaeophyceae. In the Phaeophyceae, mostly marine algae is included. Marine algae means that algae which occurs in sea water. Okay, and color of algae is brown due to presence of brown pigment. The pigment fucoxanthin is present in excess amount in the algal plants of this group. Hence, it appears brown in color. Products of photosynthesis is alcohol, fat, polysaccharides and sugars. Plants are filamentous or highly organized into large seaweeds with internal and external differentiation. Reproductive cells biflagellate, the flagella attached to one side and one directed towards and forward and other backward. Okay, such flagella are present. And the gametes are produced in unilocular or plurilocular sporangia. It is very important. And sexual reproduction is isogamous or unisogamous or oogamous type of sexual reproduction occurs in the algal members of this group Phaeophyceae. Let us see the characteristic features of Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae, rhodo means red. Most of the Rhodophyceae members are marine. They occur in sea water. Only few algal plants occur in fresh water, and they are colored blue or violet colored. And because of combination of blue and violet, they appear red in color due to presence of excess amount of phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. These two pigments are dominant in the algal members of Rhodophyceae. And for the photosynthetic product is fluoridine starch is the photosynthetic product. Okay, reproductive cells are non-flagellate and plants are filamentous or highly organized, showing complex differentiation, though not as a Phaeophyceae. Okay, for protoplasmic concentrations present, protoplasmic connections are present between the cells of all forms except photofluoridae. Okay, and sexual reproduction is oogamous. Male cells or spermatia are carried by water currents to the trichogyne of female cell or female gamete. Okay, cystocarps produce carpospores which germinate to produce tetrasporic diploid plants, and alternation of generation is common in the algal plants of Rhodophyceae. These are the characteristic features of algae which comes under this group Rhodophyceae. Okay, let us see what are the characteristic features of the members of Nematophyceae. This group consists of algal plants of fossil form. The plants which are in the form of fossil, they are included in Nematophyceae. A fossil group, it is also known as fossil group with two genera and whose true affinities are still doubtful. Internal morphology akin to higher Chlorophyceae, that resemble higher Chlorophyceae, while spore tetrad kind to Rhodophyceae. Okay, these are the characteristic features, and this is all about the classification of algae which is given by Fritsch, name of the scientist, and he has classified algae in 1935. Thank you very much.